Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have done exercise 10A. Today we have to start exercise 10B. Exercise 10B is also consist of Pythagoras theorem, but this question in the form of statement. Got it? We read statement and then draw the diagram. According to diagram, we apply Pythagoras theorem and solve the value, find out the given value. Now you come on first part question. First question is a basic level. Question number 1 is, first I read the statement, then I draw diagram. By the diagram it is very easy to solve this question. Some cables are supported by a vertical post. This is exercise 10A. Sorry, exercise 10B. Question number 1, basic level. Some cables are supported by a vertical post. This is vertical post. Vertical means just like here, this is vertical line, and that's why this is called vertical post. Got it? Okay, some cables are supported by a vertical post of height 47 meter. This is the height of 47 meter. Cable are supported at point this. Got it? The cable are attached from the top. The cable are attached from the top of this vertical post. Got it? The cable are attached from the post, of the post to the point on the ground level. The cable are attached from the top, just like this point of the post to a point on ground level 18 meter from the foot of the post. This is the foot of the post, and this one is the length. This one is the length, and the cable are attached at this point on the ground level. Cable are attached from the top of the post to the ground level, the point of ground level, and distance from the foot is 18 meter. And this one is the distance from the foot of the post, got it? On ground level to a point ground level from the foot of the post, got it? And the length to the point on ground level from the foot of the post is 18 meter. And find the length of each cable. It means we find the length, this one, we find the length of this cable. The length of cable is not given. If there is not given value, that's why we assume any value. Let me imagine we take any value. Got it? Let the length of, just let find cut के let the length of each cable, let the length of each cable be, you take any variable. I take x centimeter. You also take a, b, c, a to z. You take any variable to define the length of cable. Got it? I take x. Using, there is not given value, that's why we take let. Got it? Using by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is 90-degree angle, that's why this is called right angle triangle. The opposite side of right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of these sides. Got it? The square of hypotenuse, and the value of hypotenuse is equal to x, because we take let x. That's why x square, x centimeter square, equal to 47 centimeter square by using Pythagoras theorem, plus 18 centimeter. This is meter or centimeter? Sorry, this is meter square, and this is also meter, and this is also meter. This is meter square. Got it? Now we open squares. X meter square as it is. Now we open 47, the square of 47, then we get 2209 plus, now we open this square of 18, then 324. We add this, then we get 2536. X square equal to 2533. This is square. Now taking square root on both sides. This is a square root 2533. This is the square root. Square cancel with square root. Then x equal to, now we open square root. Sorry, square root 2533. Then we get 50.32 meter. So the length of the cable is 50.32 meter. It means the value of x equal to 50.32 meter. Got it? This is the length of each cable. This one, the length of each cable is 50.32 meter. Got it? It was very easy. Now you come on next part, next question. Next question is, first I tell you about diagonal point. If this is a square, squares means all four sides are equal. All four sides are equal, and this line is called diagonal point. Diagonal line mean which connect to these opposite corners. Got it? This is diagonal line. You also learned in D1, and you also say that this is also diagonal line. Got it? Now you come on each side of a square field. This one is square. Question number 2. This is square. This is square field, and each sides are equal, means that four sides are equal, because this shape in the form of square. Each square field is 50 meter long. The length of each square is 50 meter long. It's mean this is 50 meter, this is 50 meter, 50 meter, and 50 meter. Each length is 50 meter. Got it? A barricade to be placed along a diagonal of the field. Any resistance is placed along the diagonal of the field. You also take diagonal just like this, and you also take diagonal just like this. It's your choice. For example, I take this one diagonal. I take this diagonal. You also take this diagonal. Okay? Find the length of the barricade means find the length of the diagonal, means find the length of this resistance. Got it? There are two triangle. After draw diagonal, you also take this triangle, and you also take this triangle. It's your choice. Got it? There are two triangles. You also take any triangle. For example, I take this triangle. I follow this triangle, and this is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse. Got it? Which we find the length of the barricade. It's mean we take let the length of let the length of the barricade be, you take any variable x, y, z, a, b. I also take x just like previous question, x meter. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. It is very simple and easy. There is no difficulty. It is just like previous question. And this is hypotenuse, and the value of hypotenuse is equal to x. It's mean by Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of two sides. 50 square plus 50 meter square. X square equal to, now we open square, 50 square, then we get 2500 plus 2500. Now we add this, then we get 5000. This is square. Now we taking square root, on both sides. This is square root 5000, and this is square root. Square cancel with square root, then x equal to 50 meter. Its mean the length of diagonal is also same 50 meter. Got it? The length of diagonal is also same 50 meter. And just wait, class. 50 square Now open square root. Sorry, this is 70 point 7. Sorry. Now when we open got it, square root of 5,000, then we get 70.71. It's meaning the value of hypotenuse is 70.71 meter. Got it? The value of hypotenuse is 70.71 meter. We get the length of variegate, the length of this resistance, the length of hypotenuse is 70.7 meter. This one is meter. Got it? Now you come on next part. A rectangular swimming pool. This value in the form of rectangular. The rectangular swimming pool has the length of 50 meter and the breadth of 30 meter. This one, question number 3. This is the swimming pool. The length is 50 meter and the length is 50 meter and the breadth is 30 meter and the breadth is 30 meter. The rectangular swimming pool has the length of 50 meter and the breadth of 30 meter, just like this. During swimming proficiency test, Ethan is swimming in the swimming pool to the swimming from one corner to the pool to the opposite corner. Ethan has swimming just like this one. Ethan has swimming from one corner of the pool to the opposite corner, just like this. Ethan swim at this part. Ethan इस part पे swimming कर रहा है. Ethan has to swim from one corner of the pool to the opposite corner of the pool. Find the distance. It means this is the diagonal of the rectangle. Find the distance of the Ethan has to swim. To find, it's mean to find this length. This is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is hypotenuse, and we let any value of this hypotenuse. Let the distance Ethan has to swim be x meter. Now apply using Pythagoras theorem and put the value in theorem and find out the answer. And you also solve it and inbox me. Hope so you will solve very easily, and it is very easy topic. I think so all points are very clear. If you have any query, then inbox me and complete question number 3 and also inbox me. Thank you.